doing this whole thing because you said yes, you said to go. I'm very disappointed now.
Okay, are you ready? As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's none left. Cause I've been laughing and blasting so low that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. He be treated like a pawn, you know that's not for better. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying and joking. I really hate the trip, but I gotta lope. As I cope, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Boom. I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. Been spending most our lives living in gangsters' paradise. We've been spending most our lives living in gangsters' paradise. Been spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Forget the situation and they got me facing. I can't live it no whole life. I was raised by the hood, so I'd rather be there with my hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. I got my tin in my hand and the gleam in my eye. I'm a low down soul to say shit for banks, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Full dead thing, nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life through a gun. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24 the way things are going? I don't know. Spending most our lives living in gangster's paradise. Been spending most our lives living in gangster's paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in gangster's paradise. Keep spending most our lives living in gangster's paradise. And why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Been spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Gangster's paradise. Where do you want it?